What's going on, guys? We're back out here with this white curly tail worm with the pink head. We're back with the Ultralight and we're gonna try to see what we can catch. We were out here yesterday. We caught 3 crappie and 4 bluegill and 2 little bass. So we'll try to see if we can catch anything else today. You guys just see that? And I wanted to see my lure and try to get it. It's fun to try to catch.
Hello.
Ooh. First one, little bass. Nothing big, obviously, but these little ones are feisty. There we go. The Ultralight just caught another little bass on the little white-tailed worm. Going back out there now. Throw one in that tunnel. And those tunnels always look so good. I always just imagine like a little catfish sitting in there, and I completely missed. But I've never caught anything in them, I don't think. I think I would have remembered. I've caught a little bass around it, but nothing too big. Don't jump in the water. There's people fishing across from me. I don't know what cast in front of them, so let's go to this other side. There's a white pipe over here. That can be a good spot. About the only piece of structure that's visible out here. Big bluegill. Stop moving. And these guys hurt. I know they're little, but when you get finned by them, you definitely feel it. It's a pretty little bluegill. Barely hooked. Go back out there. Nice. Caught another little bass. Oh, dropped him. Oh, well, he's probably gonna find his way in the water. Once again, white curly tail worm. Should probably pick him up now. Stop. I touched it, it counts. I touched it, it counts. Alright, easy release. For me, not for him.